Okay, so let's have a look. So how can we set up its analog modules for CS1 PLC? Firstly, we just create a new project, select the CPU. From here, I just only choose CS1G's CPU. So the most common one will be CPU 45. So click on OK, and for the network, actually, so if you want, you can choose Ethernet or serials comms like this 12 bus to talk to the PLC. Okay, and press OK. And then we come to this I/O table to see how can we set up its analog module for the CS1 PLC on the main rack or the expansion rack. Actually, if you want, you can put the module either on the PLC main rack or expansion rack. From here, I just choose a slot from the PLC main rack and double click, and then we'll pop up this windows for selection the units. And for the analog, we just choose this general purpose analog IOs, and then actually it's from this time I just want to show you some of the old models for the C200H, like this MAD01. These modules actually for the old ones you still can use them on the CS1 PLC, still backwards compatible. Normally, so for this module actually has two different mode. If you just only use the normal one, you can choose just normal analog input output, unless you want to change it to adjust the mode. So from here, I only choose that common one. So press OK. And then we'll ask you the unit number. For this unit number, actually you set it up in front of the modules. There is a dial, so you can use that dial to set up a different number. The input range is from 0 to 15. So, which means maximum you can set up 16 of them on the PLC rack. From here, I just assume the unit number as number 2, so I just change it to number 2. Actually, for this number is quite important. The number must be unique one, cannot be duplicated with others. Yeah, because for the PLC needs this unique number to recognize the module. So you must set up this unit number the same as you set up on the in front of that C200H, this MAD01 module. So that's for the unit numbers set up, which is quite straightforward. You just put the dial to that number 2 is all right. And then we click on OK. Once we've done that, you can see this is a input-output module. It's a mix-up module. So we can double-click to see how can we set it up for all of the parameters. So as we say, this one has 2 inputs and also 2 outputs. So it depends on which channels you want to use them. From here, I just assume we want to use all of them. So that's why from here I change it to begin conversions outputs. So which means we are enable the output 1 and also output 2 as well. And the other things, if you want to use for the input peak values function or not, Yeah, so from here, if you want to get a stable reading, you can definitely to tick on this box, this options. So we choose this one, and then once we done that, that's so pretty much we have done the setting for the functioning, and then we can scroll down. From here, you can see we can choose the input signal, like if you want to use 0 to 10 volt voltage input, or 4 to 20 milliamps current input, it's all up to you. Like from here, I just choose 4 to 20 milliamps analog input. Yeah, so I can choose one. Yeah, and also for the outputs, I can choose as the same thing, either the voltage or current. Like from here, I just want to show you something different. I choose the output 1 as a 0 to 10 volt, and for the output 2 as a 4 to 20 milliamps outputs. So from here, we pretty much it's already done that. And for the last things, actually, so we need to work out what's the words for the reading. Like we can scroll down. Like this one, it's a conversation, so value. This is another value as well. That it's CIOs 20 and 25. And also this is outputs, it's a set value. So you can use those two set values, outputs something, or yeah, this is the control bit. That's pretty much we have done all of these settings. Once we done the setting, you can output just go online to the PLC, and then you can transfer to the PLC. Okay, so once we done the settings, we finish the settings, we can go up to the all parameters. We can click on each channel to see the words, the control words. Like for the input one, you will get the reading from this word 2025, and also we can see the input 2. See, this one is from the 2026, and also outputs as well. For the outputs, it's the set value is from this word, and the other one will be, yeah, that's the one. So once we finish all of these setup, we can back to here. Like we can create a symbols, like for analog input 1, it will be a channel or a word. Like a CIO area is 2025. Say, as soon as we input that, and then you can see the rack, PLC rack location, and also we just put another one, analog input 2. So also the changes as the channel is 2026. So yeah, and then we can get another one. Yeah. like MAD01 outputs 1, channel 1, like a CH1. We can put it channel 1, and then it's channel. If I remember correctly, it will be 2021. So that's the 2021, and then we can create another one. It's MAD01. Its output CH2. It's also channel as well. It's 2022. Okay, and then we just come back to here, double check our words, like output this one. Yes, it is correct, 2022. Another one is this one is a 2021. Yeah, also so we can use this beat. The beat is in the front as output setting errors to be as a condition to control. And another one will be comment one, like this one is no connection. This bit is 29 is a bit 4. Okay, and also another one. So it's we can pretty much make a program like we can use that bit is 2021.04 is a disconnection, and then get the reading from to the words, like this is channel 1, MAD01, just type in C200H MAD-MAD01 analog input 1 reading. Yep. We come to here, create another one. It's disconnection of channel 1, MAD01 channel 1 is 2029.04. This is for the disconnection. If any disconnections happens, we'll drop off this one. You won't get to reading. So that's pretty much about how to set up this C200H old model's analog module on the CS1 PLC main rack. Once you've done that, you just go online with PLC and click on transfer to PLC, and pretty much job is done. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.